Yo, what's going on, traders? What's up, team? Hope you all having a wonderful time. It's Raphael back at the charts again. And in today's video, I want to go quickly over Thursday trading session because yesterday was NFP. I decided to not trade, so I went out, go shopping, bought some shoes for my girl, made a little surprise for her, and we had dinner and we had a little party and stuff. And yeah, I had some fun on a Friday. I didn't even message. I didn't even answer your chats. I'm really sorry, but I couldn't find time. I was enjoying my day. We have beautiful weather over here. So yeah, I was pretty much enjoying myself. And yeah, but anyways, we're gonna talk about Thursday, guys, because this one was really a test of patience. Yeah, I was waiting for my trading set. I was sitting in front of the charts like 3 hours, watching it just drop without giving any entry signals, without giving any entry opportunities. It was just dropping like crazy as soon as the New York session started. And yeah, I tried to get in on the other side of the market, and I was lucky enough to get out with a little profit at the end of the day, but overall it was not really doing anything. And yeah, so let's get into the charts. Let me show you the results real quick first, and then we get into the charts. So as you can see, the last 2 weeks we up around 15% on this account. And yeah, it's a live account. We made a withdrawal last days. So overall we up around 1 million for the last 2 weeks. As you can see, we started with a little losing streak, but then we made it back with a nice winner. And yeah, so overall I'm happy with the results so far. Everything worked out pretty well so far. And yeah, let's see on Thursday, guys, what was happening. Thursday is here. So on Wednesday we just slashed through the recent high, and I was like, okay, I was really expecting some upward movement. Like I was waiting for the market to make like a little pullback back into this zone in here to then move up. This was what I was thinking will happen, but the market had another idea. But anyways, I was still trying to get a nice entry in here. So let me show you what was happening. 5-minute chart, as you can see, at around 8:30, market just started to drop. It just started to drop. We never got a nice entry opportunity in here. It was just dropping like crazy, guys. So yeah, I was watching like 3 hours. I was literally sitting in front of the chart for like 3 hours waiting for an entry opportunity. And then as you can see, we had this one forming in here, this break of structure. You see that the market slashed through the recent lows. As you can see, we grabbed the liquidity down here, and this was the moment for me when I was ready to attack the buy side liquidity. I was like, okay, I'm sure we're gonna push up. So I stepped into the game as soon as we had this break of structure in here. I mean, it was not really a really strong break of structure, so I was not 100% sure about that trade, but I was like, oh man, I was waiting for like 3 hours. I'm sure it will do some kind of a pullback at least. I mean, we had a huge drop, so I was expecting a little pullback. So I stepped into the game when it was when it pulled back a little bit after with the break of structure. When it pulled back a little bit, I got in. My stop below this double bottom in here, and it got stopped out pretty quick, as you can see. And then when we dropped down in here and we had another break of structure, I mean, this is like the downward structure, as you can see, and then the market made like a little bit stronger push to the upside and broke structure in here, and I was like, okay, let's give it a second try. It was more or less like an aggressive entry. So I took that trade in here, and I was really aiming for like a 1-to-3 risk reward ratio, but I wanted to take profits around in this area here, around this one in here. So this was my first target. The second target would be a little bit higher than that. And yeah, I decided to take everything off the table because I was not I didn't want to watch the chart anymore. I was watching it from 8:30 New York time until 1 p.m. So yeah, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, nearly 5 hours in front of the chart, and I was like, damn, fuck that. And it was not really moving strong, so I decided to take it off. And as you can see, it was the right decision. I had very great timing on this one, just because I felt like this one is not going anywhere, you know. It could have moved much stronger than that. And yeah, so I decided to close, took a little profit, finished the day, finished the week strong. And on Friday, of course, we had NFP news event, and I was not interested to take any trades within this fuckery in here. Yeah, I was not even watching it, guys. I was like, okay, it's Friday, this NFP is kicking in, so let's just do something else. Let's enjoy life. You know, as traders, it's so important to not just be focused on the charts, to not always try to trade, because we don't need to always be trading, and we are not making money just because we trade. We making money because we wait for our opportunities to show up, and then we trade. You know, we cannot force it. As soon as we start to force something, it doesn't work like that. The market will slap us in the face, and we get overexcited, we get too greedy, and then the market will take all the money from you. That's how it is. Yeah. So traders need hobbies, guys. If you don't have a hobby, if you're just watching a chart like crazy, I don't know if that's the right business for you. You need to have hobbies. You need to have some friends or whatever to hang out with, have some fun, do something else, maybe work on other businesses as well. But when it comes to trading, you should really focus on a very specific time of the day, focus on one market, one specific move that you're looking for. If you don't get it, just do something else. And the rest of the time, I mean, I'm focused on like 2 to 4 hours of the day. This is where I'm looking for opportunities, and if I cannot get something, I'm good. And if I had like 2 or 3 good trades a week and I already have a wonderful profit, I don't need to force it on a Friday, you know. I'm happy with my 2-3 winning days a week, and that's more than enough for me to make a good living, make a good percentage return every month. And yeah, you should really become more precise and decide for quality in your trading, not quantity. That's very important to become one of the best traders that you can be, you know. So yeah, guys, I wish you all a wonderful weekend. Today I'm going to make barbecue with some friends. We're gonna have some fun, maybe drink a couple of beers and enjoy the weather. It's beautiful outside, sun is shining. Let me show you real quick what is going on in here. It's just beautiful, look at that. Yeah, so yeah, I'm probably gonna hang out with some friends today, have some barbecue, and yeah, have some fun with my dogs, take them for a walk and stuff like that. And yeah, that's what we doing, guys. I wish you all the best. Have a wonderful weekend. Enjoy your time as well. And I'm gonna see you in the next video. Peace out. See you.
Everybody